Who can guess your age? Introduce yourself. What is your name? They are close. What is your name? What is your stage name?
Fanta.
This is Fanta and this is Coke, our superstar. In a like Fanta. Get to say talking. Really. Get to go to say talking. Lepo. Hey, how old are you?
7 years. You are 40. I'm not 7. You are 40. You are 40. You are 40.
Why are you confusing her now? Are you 7 or
45?
7. You are 5
45.
years. Are you guys deceiving me? Tell me the truth. How old are you? Stop lying.
You are older than him.
This video be like say you people wey dey video them just dey humiliate them. Now make una take am easy. My people abeg, wetin we go call this one? Look at small pikin with old age faces. Abeg, if you be doctor wey dey watch this video, abeg wetin be this? Write am for comment section, cause me man want to learn. Oh, I never see such before. These are small pikin. This girl is 7 years, the boy is 5 years, but look at their faces. Pico, doctors in the house, make una tell us, help us, abeg.
You are 70. 77. You are not yet. I beg. I dey confused. I don't know what.
Make a call.
I won't believe.
Welcome. I want to go because I'm
okay. Now.
Say some videos. Okay, man. Celebrity children.
AI man,
Hello guys, celebrity children. Come here, how get on? I really so no. Celebrity. Na social media.
I swear. I just a few for this innocent pikin them. As then they grow, make them they see people wey go love them. Oh, the society where we dey. Some ignorant people they like to dey very dark man their fellow people. Do you understand? Like they go they talk down on them. Like anything where they do, they will find fault, stuff like that. And I understand. I just pray as they grow, make this thing they come out from their faces, cause they funny. God help all of us, so because I don't understand.